Sit or lie with your back straight, your hands loose by your side or on your lap, and also make sure that your legs are not crossed or your feet. Focusing on the bottom of your feet, you feel pink, soft, comforting energy, the energy of the earth, entering the bottom of your feet and moving upwards through your legs, breathing in and out. It moves up to your thighs, fills your torso with its warmth, moves into your neck, flows down your arms and into your hands. The pink energy of Mother Earth fills your head, fills your body with her comfort. A golden white orb of light. This ball of energy moves slowly downwards and enters the top of your head through your crown. The light fills your head, moving into every cell. It flows down your neck, flows into your shoulders, down your arms and into your hands. This energy now fills your torso, moving down into your hips, flowing down your legs, into your feet, out of your feet, into the earth. The pink and the white blend together throughout your body, filling you. And now pour out the top of your head, flowing down around the outside of your body, flowing around your body, under your feet, flowing, forming an egg cocoon surrounding you with their light. In front of you is a golden door with a silver handle. Take the handle, open the door, and step through into a desert scene. The sand shines brightly under the sun. You are in the center of a circle of dome buildings. Dome buildings carved out of the sand. Look at each dome building and select one. Walk up to the building you have chosen. Enter the dome building through the circular door in front of you. In the center is a square block bed covered in brightly coloured materials with intricate weavings of different geometric patterns, flowers, trees, symbols that are relevant to your healing today. Climb on and make yourself comfortable. You are relaxed. Every part of your body relaxes and sinks into these beautiful fabrics. Gradually the walls take on a colour. The colour starts to fill the room, merging into you, flowing into you, through your energy body, through your physical body, into every single cell of your body. Feel the energy of this colour healing you on every level of your being. You can feel the healing of this vibrant colour as it restores your body into balance. This colour fades away and is replaced by another colour. The walls become this colour and it fills the room, fills your energy body, your physical body, into your cells, into the essence of your being. Allow the colour to heal you, to restore you. You may see visions of what is being resolved. See them fading away, being released into the universe, into light. The colour fades away once more, and a new colour lines the walls, fills your dome, merging into every part of your being. Allow it to flow through you, to heal you. This colour flows away and another fills the room, flows through your energy body, your physical body, into every single one of your cells, allowing you to release whatever is causing an imbalance in your being. Again, you may see images and allow them to float, to dissolve, to be absorbed once more into the universe, into light. A shaft of white golden light enters the dome at the very center and enters your heart. Allow your heart to absorb this light, the light of unconditional love, of vibrance of being, of empowerment. It spreads through your body into every cell. Pores around you, encasing you in a sphere of golden white light. The symbols on the material lift off and enter your orb of white light to be absorbed into your body matrix. Your golden door appears in the dome building. Stand up and move towards it. Open it and step through back into your reality, into the room and the place where you started this meditation. And as I count down from 5 to 0, the sensations will return to every part of your body, your toes, fingers, arms, legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You are now fully present, back here and now. Imagine roots stretching down from your feet into the earth, deep into her core, grounding you completely here once more.